So next, we need to use the AI writer and make some content. And I'm gonna go with the silo that we created for the garden party page, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna write a piece of content with one of those keywords. Okay, and so you have two options in the AI writer: the fast draft, the guided premium. The fast draft is some limited options. You kind of click and go. Guided will have more options at the beginning, and then you can also work through the paragraphs as you go, and you're going to get better content out of it. If you're not sure, of course, you can ask PopPilot. PopPilot can open either of these for you, but I'll just click to start guided. So now here we have a lot of great options to source to put in, but this could be a little overwhelming, and we could just ask PopPilot, what should I choose for my settings here in the AI writer? All right, so it's skipping the target word count because you should go with the recommended word count. But then here in the blog post, well, by default, things are, it said an article, it's suggesting a blog post because this is supporting content, so I'm gonna make that change. Now, 3 competitors are already selected just by default, but if you would like help in choosing other competitors, PopPilot can help with that as well. For now, I'm just gonna keep the 3 that have been selected. For the visual style, visual density, magazine style. All right, that's been selected there. That's great. SEO density, smart SEO. Great. Content style, keep premium editorial and local expert. There we go. Image style, keep editorial photography, which we had selected. Research sources, right now, we don't have any of those, and right now we're using pop credits, but if you have an OpenAI account, you can put that in, and then it dramatically reduces the amount of credits you need. Now, let's say this was a product page. You could have PopPilot help you write a product description. If you want to put in author, as in who's the person that's writing this, put in the brand name specifically or the target audience, PopPilot can help with all of those things as well. But it also gives you a little more definition, like why these are good choices for what you're trying to do, and you can go back and forth with what you need. One other thing to highlight, which is kind of fun, is that the different types of visual styles pre-select certain things within the rich content sort of options. Like SEO Heavy pretty much does them all. Magazine style is a pretty good balance, and balance, of course, is a little more balanced towards SEO and reading, but magazine style often provides really good results. All right, so that's good there. And we're going to continue. Just a quick double check on what we're doing, because you can't change. This does lock in the settings from here. Okay, so now we're in the point where we're going to start writing. We've got all of our setup done, and Pop handles a lot of this for you just by default. So in this case, because it's a brand new page and we don't have existing titles, then let Pop generate new titles for me. If you work on a page that existed already, you can use your existing titles for inspiration. We're just going to go with this. But if you have any questions at all about what you might want to do, that's exactly what PopPilot is there to help you with. Again, it's saying, ask me which option to pick or what to toggle. So we're good with this selection. So we're going to go generate titles. Okay, so we get several title options. And what's really nice here, again, if you're not sure on which to go to, these are the ones you can ask PopPilot. Do you have a particular recommendation? It might ask you to copy and paste in some of the options if it can't quite see them, but it usually can. And it'll make some selections, but garden marquee safety tips for homeowners, that's perfect. And then we're going to use this title and head over to the section to build H2s and H3s. And again, because this is a brand new page, it hasn't been written yet. It's best just to have generated because there isn't much to use for inspiration. But if you see some competitors are doing really well, you can select them for your inspiration. Okay, so now that we're in the subheadings, what we have here are our H2s and potentially H3s for this page and what we need to put together. What's great about this is that while built into the AI writing system is to regenerate subheadings, Pilot can actually do that for you as well, and it is a better option. So let's say you don't like a particular term. These things can be edited. These things can be changed. But you can also get assistance from Pilot to help you maybe write a slightly different term. So let's say, you know what, I like that, but there are things that I would prefer to change. So I'm going to copy that one in. I'm just going to say, can you give me some more options for this H2? Great. And so now what Pilot has done is given me a few other options. And let's say, okay, I like that first one, a quick pre-event safety check before setup. I like that better. And we're good. And I can go through, and you can see here in the outline that we've got an introduction, key takeaways, our first H2, a list, an image will be inserted in there, a table will go there, another image. You can kind of see how this page is outlining. And so, you know what? I feel good. We're going to have an FAQ at the end. That's great. Let's generate this draft. And now as it goes, you can see the progress as each section is being written. All right, and here's our article with an intro, a key takeaways section, the pre-event safety check, our first H2, a list. Here's the next section, and then if we want to generate that image, we can click to generate. All right, there's our image, and of course, if we don't like that, we can click to regenerate. Each of these sections, again, you can rely on Pilot to help you if you want to rewrite some of these sections. You don't have to lean necessarily on the regeneration, but say, I'm looking to change it to say this or add that. One thing I note, so we've already got a pop score of 90 out of 100. The page experience is at 99 out of 100. So that's looking at the readability, the format, how easy it is for somebody to absorb the content. So that's fantastic. If we wanted to tweak something in terms of getting our score a little bit better, that would be getting important terms within the subheadings. But let's say we're good. There's one more step, which is SEO and quality. Okay, so from here, we can see things are going pretty well. We are missing some terms perhaps to increase within the subheadings. And that's an option that we can do from here, where we can apply one fix for free. And that's on a score safe type of polish. We can do a premium editorial polish, a readability first polish, depending on how you're feeling about the content. Again, if you're not sure, those are the kind of things that you can also give to Pilot to say, like, do I need help with this, or what should I do? But basically, on one run, getting a little bit of help from Pilot, and then just kind of going with what's already built into our fantastic AI writing tool, you get pretty good content. And then from here, it's to continue to publish. Yes, continue. And it's ready to go. And you just download it from here, and then upload onto your site. Look how nice that looks. That's great. And there's the FAQ. And we have a great article that we just got done in very little time. And it meets what we need in order for it to be readable, good content, and then also SEO content. And you can also take a look at how it looks in mobile, in desktop and mobile, what the HTML output looks like. We can highlight our keywords so we can see what those terms look like. And there it all is for you. Easy content generation with the help of Pilot, and also with the excellent tool that we have already built in with our AI writer.
Data-driven SEO used to mean a complex set of tools. Now, it's a conversation. It's the closest thing to having me sitting over your shoulder doing your SEO with you. This lives in every pop account right now. If you don't see it, look for the little orange button. Try it today. Thank me later.